Fireflies.ai supports over 60 languages for meeting transcription. You can adjust language settings in 3 different ways to match your needs. The first method sets a default language for your entire account. The second allows you to choose a language for specific meetings. The third lets you retranscribe existing recordings in a different language. To change your account's default language, navigate to Settings, then Transcription Settings, then Language Preferences. This sets the default language for all your future meetings. For individual meetings, access advanced settings when scheduling. Select Transcription Language to override your default setting for that specific meeting. After a meeting, you can retranscribe in a different language. Open the meeting recording, click Transcription Settings, then select Retranscribe in different language. This is what the language selection interface looks like in Fireflies.ai. You can see the various language options available, including Spanish, English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Dutch, among many others. These 3 methods give you complete flexibility in managing language settings for your Fireflies.ai transcriptions, whether you need a default setting, meeting-specific changes, or post-meeting adjustments. Multilingual transcription is becoming essential for global organizations. Here are key tips and emerging trends that will help you maximize accuracy and effectiveness. First, let's cover the essential best practices. Clear audio input is crucial for accurate language recognition across different languages and accents. Always configure your language settings before important meetings. This prevents transcription errors and ensures the AI model is optimized for your specific language needs. Finally, always review your transcriptions for accuracy. Most platforms allow you to retranscribe in a different language if the initial detection was incorrect. Now let's examine the current trends driving multilingual transcription adoption worldwide. This world map shows the global reach of multilingual communication. Currently, 73% of global organizations conduct meetings in multiple languages, making multilingual transcription a business necessity. The technology is rapidly improving. AI accuracy in language-specific transcription has improved by 25% in just the past year, making these tools more reliable than ever. Looking ahead, several exciting developments are on the horizon that will revolutionize multilingual transcription. Advanced dialect recognition will soon handle regional accents and local variations much more effectively, making transcription accurate for speakers from any region. Perhaps most exciting is real-time multi-language transcription, where a single meeting with participants speaking different languages will be transcribed simultaneously in all languages spoken. These advances will make global collaboration more seamless than ever, breaking down language barriers and enabling truly inclusive international meetings.